Ryan,
Hey, bud.
how are you?
Good. Just finishing up a little patchwork here
Bill,
before you
Bill
guys.
Samuelson, how are you doing? Start
Nice,
to finish
nice.
flooring.
Hey, I'm so excited that Tarkett's coming back to Military Makeover.
We're excited to be here. We can't wait to get started and make this beautiful home for the family. How about the tiles? Tile staying, everything?
Tile's gonna stay. We'll go over the top. We'll just have a little transition strip
Yeah,
here.
especially with that great flooring there. We can just go right on top, not a problem. It's a Uniclick product. It's so easy to put in. It's easy maintenance. It'll be great for the family.
Now, you got a lot of kids, and it's durable. I know it's easy install, goes quick, so we'll make sure we got plenty of volunteers here to move stuff out of you guys' way. I don't want to slow you guys down. If there's anything else, you can get to it.
We're good to go. Thank you so much.
All right, bud. Thank you.